EBITDA sounds complicated, but it's actually a simple way to understand a company's real earning power. It stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Think of it like checking how much money a business makes from its everyday operations without mixing in loan interest, tax bills, or accounting adjustments. For example, imagine a small bakery that earns $100K in revenue. After paying for flour, salaries, and rent, they have $25,000 left from core operations. This is close to their EBITDA. It helps investors and founders see the company's true performance, even if they have loans or old equipment that depreciates. In short, EBITDA shows whether a business is actually making money from its main work. Why EBITDA is useful? EBITDA helps beginners understand business finances without getting lost in technical details. It removes complicated things like taxes and loan interest, so you see the business clearly. For example, take two restaurants. One pays high taxes because of its location, and the other has taken a big loan. Their profits may look different, but their EBITDA could be similar because both earn well from daily operations. This makes it easier to compare businesses. Investors use EBITDA to decide whether a company is healthy, scalable, or worth investing in. If EBITDA is growing every quarter, it means the business operations are becoming more efficient. If EBITDA is falling, something is wrong in the core activities. That's why this number is so popular worldwide. How to calculate EBITDA easily? The formula is simple. EBITDA equals net profit plus interest plus taxes plus depreciation plus amortization. Let's break it with an example. Suppose a small online store has a net profit of $10,000. It paid $2,000 as interest on a loan, $3,000 in taxes, and recorded $5,000 as depreciation for old computers and equipment. Add everything back. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 5,000 equals to $20,000. That $20,000 is the EBITDA. This shows how much the business actually earned from pure operations, without effects of old assets or government taxes. Beginners should focus on understanding how adding back these costs gives a clearer picture of business performance. Once you learn this, analyzing any company becomes easier. When EBITDA can mislead. EBITDA is helpful, but beginners should also know its limitations. It does not include loan repayments, maintenance costs, or new equipment expenses. So sometimes a company may show high EBITDA but still struggle with cash flow. For example, imagine a factory with $30,000 EBITDA, but its machines are old and need $20,000 repair every year. EBITDA doesn't show this problem. Another example, a company with huge debt may have good EBITDA, but large interest payments can eat all the cash. So while EBITDA is a great starting point, don't depend on it alone. Always check cash flow, debt, and real expenses. Use EBITDA as one tool to understand the business, not the only tool.